Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG front loader washing machine. This is 7 kg dry and 10 kg washer. Smart inverter washing machine, DD motor. This machine having problem actually while spinning time, not the washing time. It's making huge noise. The customer at the customer house, he is not able to stand anywhere because of the machine noise. We went to the customer house and we checked by ourselves. We have coming abnormal noise from the machine. Now I'm requesting watch this video. This one I make from the customer house. Watch this one. After that we will go to the next step. This machine with the load is making while spinning time huge noise. It is very abnormal. We try to resolve the problem at customer home because we are not able to find out from where coming this abnormal noise. We check, we remove everything, top cover and dry duct and bearing, everything's perfect. Now I'm going to check again where is coming this abnormal noise. What I'm going to do now, I given power connection. Also now the machine is empty, nothing inside. It is bearing everything perfect. This machine is not completed 1 year even. Now this it is model wise. This model F4V5 RGP2T. This is the model. Now what I'm going to do, this is empty machine. Now I will check with the Q test. Now you can see I am going to check the with the quick test. That's mean test mode. Now door already got locked. Now I will start the machine because I want to show you this no any problem with the bearing. Because of that only I am going to check with the Q test. Now you can hear the noise. Now our RPM will increase up to 1400. Now machine is empty. You can hear the noise. No any abnormal noise from the bearing, shaft, drum, everything perfect. Now you can see it is increasing RPM. Now you can see it is no any problem with the bearing. Now what I'm going to do, now I will shut down the machine again. ऐसा RPM में बड़ा गाड़ी कर लगा हूँ. Again another start pause button one more time. Now RPM will increase. Now it came actually 1370, 137 you can see. This is the highest maximum RPM. It's not reaching to 1004 here while Q test. Now you can hear the noise. It is normal, no any abnormal noise. The bearing, seal, perfect. Spider, everything's are perfect. Now what I'm going to do, I will shut down the machine now. Now you can see here is okay. The balance, everything, it is okay. Now I will open the machine and also I will load. I will add some cloth to the machine. This it is dry cloth. Anyway, we have to add some load. Now again, I will start the machine here. Now I want to show you the machine, how we can resolve this issue also, what is the problem also. Now I am selecting direct spin here because with the load we are not we cannot check quick test, otherwise test mode. Now I am pressing again start post button. Now here you can see only the direct spin, though already got lock. Now machine will start spin cycle. Now 100% we know no any problem with the bearing, seal, everything perfect. This one is still under warranty, but customer never call to the company because it will take time because of that. Now you can see the machine now increasing RPM, spinning cycle. Now still no any abnormal noise from the machine, still having normal noise. Now it came up to 10 minutes, still not taking maximum RPM, now only increasing. Now my dear friends, you can hear the noise. Now start. This is the noise actually, it is very abnormal noise. Now what we can do, we will remove the top cover again. Now I want to show you, because of that I will remove the top cover while running time. Now we will remove the top cover because I want to show you. This is the noise from the machine, abnormal noise while running time. Now you can see here, this is the dry duct. It's too much vibrating actually. It's not from the here also. This is the springs. Also no any loose nut. No loose. Now we will remove the back cover also here, because dampers we have to check now. Here sometimes it's making noise, huge noise after getting loose connection dry duct, but this one not like that. Now here it's no noise coming from here only. This damper here. It's no problem with the damper. something difference while I'm checking here. You can see here it's not coming from the damper. This one coming from the main control board. Yes, my dear, it's coming from the main control board. You can see here. Yes, my dear, it is coming from the main control board. This one already is vibrating only, but no any loose here. One screw also. Now we will shut down the machine and we will remove the main control board and we will check. While spinning time, it because of the vibrate, it's making huge noise. Anyway, we will remove the control board and we will check. Here one screw. From there. Now I already removed that screw. It's very difficult to remove also. Now I already remove here. You can see the screw. Now we can take it out control board here. Now we can take here like that. It's very easy. Yes, this one you can see here. Now we can take it out. Now again we will check with PCB. I will keep like that and I will check with the again spinning cycle. You can see here this one, that's it only. We can take it out. More than that we are not able to take it. Now we will check again with the load. We will check this one only vibrating. Now spinning cycles going on. Still not came RPM. It's not still only increasing. Still 20 minutes. Now it is RPM is more than 1200. Now from the beginning, while we are checking, is making huge noise. Actually now it's not huge noise, this is normal noise. The problem with the main control board which is mount here is 9 minutes also came. Before it's making huge noise. Now it is not the huge, it is normal noise. The problem with the main control board where it is mounted, the bottom plate. Now you can see here it is maximum RPM. With the RPM machine running, spinning cycle is going on. Here it's no any abnormal. This is normal noise. If we are keeping here main control board, again it will come abnormal noise, vibrating noise. Now we have to do some modification. After that our problem will get solved. That means we have to install the same place main control board, but we have to tie it with some silicone or something, otherwise it will come again noise, and we will try to do that and we will check. Now again I get the control board. Now see, This is the noise came from a machine before. Now we have to do some modification actually, otherwise it will make again as same before. If we are keeping like that, it's coming too much noise. And we will do some modification and we will check. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to again refix main control board. Here the same location I have to fix, but the underneath the main control board I have to mount something absorb anti-absorb here, like a sponge or something. Now I'm going to fix this one and we will check. I'm keeping like that, and I will fix here lock also. Here I fixed lock also. Now I will fix this screw. Now I tied the screw also. It's very strong, but I have to check again with the load if it is making noise or not, because I kept already downside the control board sponge, because this space is not for the, because of that might it's making abnormal noise. Anyway, now we will check with the load again. We will start the machine. Now it is okay. Now you can see it is the same with the same load, machine running well, no, not making any abnormal noise. Now my job already completed. I never replace any spare parts unnecessary. I suspected actually the from the dampers, but it is not problem with the dampers. Now it's okay. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.